Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to review the 4-2-1 formula for calculating maintenance IV rates on our pediatric patient. Now the 4-2-1 formula starts by using the patient's weight in kilograms. So let's say we have a pediatric patient, they weigh 38 kilograms. So now let's go through the calculation. We're going to administer 4 cc's per kilogram for the first 10 kilograms of body weight. So we'll take that 38 kilograms, we're going to subtract 10, move that over. 10 times 4 is 40. So our first 10 kilograms of body weight comes out to 40 cc's of IV fluid. Next, we're going to administer 2 cc's per kilogram of the next 10 kilograms of body weight. So we take that 28, we subtract another 10, move that over. 10 times 2, 20 cc's. So 4, 2, 1. So next we'll administer 1 cc per kilogram of body weight that's left over. In this case it's 18. So 1 times 18, 18. So our hourly maintenance IV infusion rate for this child is going to be 40 plus 20 plus 18, and that gives us 78 cc's per hour. And that's the 4-2-1 rule for calculating maintenance IV fluid rates on your pediatric patient. So, in summary, 4 cc's per kilogram for the first 10 kilograms of body weight, 2 cc's per kilogram of the next 10 kilograms of body weight, and 1 cc per kilogram of every kilogram after that. This has been a quick review of the 4-2-1 rule for pediatric maintenance IV infusions. I'm Mark, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.